Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're really excited to be able to show you an absolutely wonderful countryside property in Andalusia, in the province of Granada. We're in between the towns of Montefrio and Huerta. The access for this property is from the main road and then down an easy track which does cross the small stream, as you can see here. And I'll show you a little bit more of the track as we get further towards the house. We're going to take a little walk now along the track that leads to the house. It's in pretty good condition and we've got here in a perfectly ordinary car. I would think that you might consider buying a 4x4 if you're going to be here all year round. But generally the track is fairly reasonable for a countryside track. It's natural earth, there's no concrete on this part, but the section higher up towards the road is concreted. We're now at the track that's much closer to the property boundary, and you can hear the frogs in the river and the sound of the river. It's extremely lovely here. And here we have the first view of the property. These olive trees do belong to the house, so you'll have some of your own olives if you would like to care for those, or ask a neighbour to do that for you. We'll head now up towards the house. So here we have our first view of the property. Entrance is via this gateway, and we have a pressed concrete surface here. The property sits on a plot of around 18,000 square metres. The house is over 300 square metres built and includes a garage, a large storeroom, a swimming pool, a games pitch and a very large shed. As we walk a little bit closer to the house, we come to the turning circle, so it's very easy for you to drive in and just drive straight out. But of course as well you can put your car into the garage. The land above here on this hillside also belongs to the plot. And here's your first view of the property. We're just opening everything up now for you. You see everything's very nicely kept, all the plants beautifully kept. Here's the large barn. This does need a little bit of work, or if you wanted to replace it with something you could very easily, and it has direct access to the olive grove which is below the property. You can also access it here from these steps down. The double doors here lead to the garage. All of the windows have window blinds, and on the ground floor they also have security bars. And the windows are extremely good quality, double glazing with wood effect. And here you can see some really lovely styling on the window surround. The roof is done with the underside in a very Arabic style, which is traditional for our area. You see, everything's really beautifully done. Things were really well thought out with this property. So we have this nice large front porch, front terrace, and you can access the garden via here. It's a really beautiful space, and we'll be taking a closer look at that in a moment. Now we're going to go on a little tour of the garden first. This door leads directly into the kitchen. As you can see, it's really beautifully done. Very sensitive planting, very private with the hedging. and directly through here is the games pitch, tennis court, volleyball, badminton, whatever you want. Or of course, if you wanted to repurpose it for something, you could. It'd be an ideal space for a caravan because it's already got hard standing. You would just need to do something with this wall here. You can see it's a big space. Everything here has been done with full permissions and licenses, so you won't have any problems with the town hall because it's all been done correctly. This little gate here takes us to the swimming pool area, and it's good because you can close it off if you need to. Nice sized pool, about 5 by 9. You can see it's being overwintered at the moment, so there's no water, but it's in very, very good condition. And I like that it has proper stairs that go into the pool, that it's not just a metal staircase. This door here goes into the garage, and this one into a dispenser, into a scullery room at the back of the kitchen. But you've got a really good sized space here around the pool. Plenty of room for sun loungers and things. And then up here is a little barbecue area with pizza oven. You see there's water as well, which is always extremely useful. And here's your pizza oven. I think that's so cute. And through here we have a contemplation garden. Just a really wonderful place to sit and meditate. To get to the garden up here, we have to do that from the other side of the property. So I'll show you that one in a moment. Just outside the sitting room, we have this additional patio. These doors here lead from the turning circle out the front, and here's the garage. And the little garden that I'd like to show you up the stairs here. We come to another really good sized patio, perfect for hanging your laundry out. A little bit of nude sunbathing maybe. And then through here is a flat plot which is currently planted, as you can see, with trees and some fruit trees. But of course you can do whatever you want with this area. The electricity is mains and the cable is buried underground. And there's a biologic septic tank. There's your view from the garden area. Okay, now we're going to take a look around the inside of the property. So to enter the property, we go in via this substantial door, and it leads to this large hallway. And the first of the 5 bedrooms is here off the right hand side. As you can see, really lovely quality doors. The floors as well, really beautifully done. It's a good sized room with a window over the front of the property. There's also central heating throughout. And just here is the ensuite. It's a really nice sized, nicely appointed shower room. There's a few wood beams here too, so you've got some nice character. A large storeroom is the next on the right. And then at the end of the hallway is a good sized sitting room with really lovely corner wood burning stove. There's double doors through to the first patio and the stairs that take you up to the garden. And there are also stairs that take you to the top floor of the property. But we're going to initially go left here through the archway to the gorgeous open plan kitchen dining room. This room has direct access to the garden and quick access to the swimming pool. And as you can see, there's a really nice large island. Everything that you might need is here. It's beautiful quality granite. It's a double sink. And I really like this inset section of the ceiling. And through here we have a little storeroom. There's also a downstairs loo, very useful for when you're at the pool. And then here is part of the system that runs the central heating, I believe. And we go through this curtain and here we are at the swimming pool. Let me show you the garage before we go upstairs. So there's access from the pool area directly into the garage and also an electronic door that leads from the main doors. So you would drive through and then come in where the roll-up door is with your car. It's a great place for a laundry room, as you can see, and in here is all the machinery for the swimming pool. It's a saltwater pool. So everything that you need to maintain a saltwater pool is here. Another storeroom. And you can see this is a really good sized room. And if we pop over here, there's the double doors that lead to the turning circle. So I'm heading upstairs now. And you can see it's a nice bright hallway, full height ceiling. And we have the glass bricks to let in more light. And I really like these little inset lights as you go up the stairs. So at the top of the stairs, you've got a spacious hallway. This is the first room on the left-hand side, which is at the rear of the property. It's a good size room. This window here also has a mosquito net, and then we have a shower room. So it's not tiled floor to ceiling, it's part tiled. That's bedroom number 2. We go down the hall to the left to bedroom 3. And again, you can see it's a really good sized room. Views over the countryside. This window also has a mosquito net and a slightly differently styled bathroom. Very pretty with the mosaics. And this one has bath with shower over, which is extremely useful if you have kids. This would be the principal bedroom. It's the largest of the rooms. As you can see, there's enough room to have a sofa in here. It also has its own dressing room. It's another really beautifully done room. And then we have dressing room through here. And another bathroom with bath. This one's been tiled floor to ceiling. And you'll find that there's also a really good separate walk-in shower here. So we hope you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share. This really does help us with the algorithms. Leave your comments in the section below. Viewings are strictly by appointment. Now this room here, unfortunately I can't get in to show you. It has personal items of the owners and it is locked. But when you come to view the property, we will make sure that you can get in there to have a look. And then the very last bedroom is down here. Another really good sized room. And of course, ensuite with bath. So please do ask us any questions. You can email or get in contact via the comments section or call us. We do have floor plans for the property. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'm going to leave you with this gorgeous view of the Andalusian bright blue sky and this beautiful garden. We look forward to welcoming you to this property, and we hope that we can find you your home in Andalusia.